Yeah.
And I often get a question from students that they want to be a machine learning engineer, but they have no idea what a machine learning engineer does. So could you tell us a little bit about what exactly the role of a machine learning engineer is in a finance company, for example?
Yeah, I think there are different hats that you don as a machine learning engineer. And I think one clear distinction is machine learning researcher versus engineer.
Okay.
So I think researcher would be somebody who focuses mostly on like just building the models, training, increasing the model accuracy, coming up with, maybe finding the best algorithm out there and tweaking that. A machine learning engineer, I would say, is more end to end in terms of you help build systems around that algo.
Mhm.
So it could be like different firms have different names, right? Sometimes people call them data science, sometimes people call them machine learning. But it's the end-to-end pipeline. So when I say all the way from like the data coming in, talking to the stakeholders, figuring out the requirements, to the data, to doing like the whole EDA process, analyzing it, figuring out, and then you build a model which, let's say, you work along with a researcher, and then you also focus on deploying it. What's the best way to deploy? What's the best way to do model monitoring, see whether your model is performing as expected, do A/B testing. You want to release new models, you put some as candidate models and see how the performance metrics are. You build one product and you don't your, at different parts of the project life cycle, you are at different phases. And that's similar to how my experience is as well at Goldman. So we are a pretty small team and we work on one product end to end, which is pricing for certain financial assets. So so yeah, at different times we either be like on the data side or you're on the engineering side, and then you're on running experiments.
Okay, so it seems more like a collaboration between the researchers as well as the engineers, from developing the model to doing the testing.